Hey everybody, this is Brad Myers with Fulton County Homes right here in Fulton County, Ohio. 20-year home inspector turned real estate agent with Harmony Realty Group. I've inspected thousands of homes in my 20-year career, but now I enjoy helping you navigate through the complex world of real estate. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, Fulton County Homes, and hit the bell down below so you're notified of my videos that come out every week. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you 6 tips that will help you get your home ready for the market, so stick around. Okay, so you already know that making home improvements can increase the value of your home and add comfort and quality to your family life. If you're making these improvements with the intentions of staying in your home for a long period of time, then return on investment probably isn't a big issue. However, if you're making these improvements with the intentions of selling your home, then you need to be very conscious of the return on investment.
Do it, John, but not because of your little speech, but because I need the money.
Today I want to share with you 6 projects that won't break the bank, but will have a very good return on investment when you get ready to sell your home. Okay, number 1 is kitchen remodels. Most people understand that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and because of this, many improvements to the kitchen can pay off very well. You can expect anywhere from a 60% to 120% return on your investment as long as you don't go overboard. You should never make the kitchen any fancier than the rest of the house or the rest of the neighborhood for that matter. A little fresh paint in neutral colors can go a long way, and paint is relatively cheap. Rather than replacing your dated countertops, consider having them refinished. This can save you a lot of money in the end, and it'll give your kitchen a wonderful new look. Replacing the kitchen cabinets is probably one of the largest expenses in any kitchen remodel. What I would recommend is refinishing the doors, the drawers, face frames, and maybe adding new hardware to the cabinets. This will save you thousands of dollars over complete replacement. If you're thinking of replacing the flooring in your kitchen, you may want to consider floating vinyl floors versus hardwood or ceramic counterparts. These floor coverings are beautiful, waterproof, easy to install, and best of all, won't break the budget. Okay, number 2 is adding another bathroom to the home. If you currently only have one bathroom, adding another bathroom may be a fantastic investment. If you can find an existing area of your home where you can add another bathroom, you can expect to recoup between 80 and 130% of your investment.
A nice round number. I like nice round numbers.
When you start looking for an area for an extra bath, look for underutilized rooms like closets or areas under the stairway. These can make fantastic choices. But also keep in mind, if you're going to put in a half bath, you're going to need about 18 square feet. If you're going to put in a full bathroom with a shower stall, you're going to need about 30 square feet. And if you're going to put in a full bath with a shower tub combination, you're going to need at least 35 square feet. However, if you have to add on to the home for the second bathroom, this probably isn't a good choice. Okay, number 3 is window replacement. When home buyers are shopping for homes, they definitely have energy efficiency in mind. Replacing old worn out windows with mid-grade windows can give you back between 60 and 90% of your investment. And remember, the most efficient windows on the market are the ones that are installed correctly, not necessarily the most expensive on the market. Old worn out single pane windows can be a major turnoff to many home buyers, but not always. For example, older windows on a vintage home can be one of the outstanding characteristics that give the home such an appealing facade. These windows are one of the key details that give a house in this category such a high market value. But if your windows are so far gone they just can't be repaired, try to find windows that are exact stylistic match to the ones you already have. This will help maintain your home's current market value. Okay, number 4 is adding a deck to the home. Adding a deck to your home can definitely improve the value. However, the prices involved varies widely. Because of this, the return on your investment can vary widely also, anywhere from between 70 and 90%. Everything really depends on how many bells and whistles you want added to the deck. For example, built-in seating, flower beds, multiple staircases, and of course, the size of the deck itself. All of these extras add up quickly. You can expect to pay between $1,200 and $12,000 for a deck. But as with the kitchen, you don't want the deck to be any fancier than the rest of the house or the rest of the neighborhood. Okay, number 5, adding insulation to the home. Insulation isn't typically something that a home buyer will notice right away. However, they will notice it when they ask for the average utility bills, and it will definitely come up during the home inspection. Adding insulation to your home will almost always have a high return value of at least 90%. This is because adding insulation to the attic area will save you hundreds of dollars in your energy costs throughout the year. And don't forget, between 50 and 60% of all energy loss in a home is through the attic. Other areas of concern are insulation around outlets, around doors and windows, down in the basement around the rim joists, and anywhere plumbing lines or electrical lines enter the house. And finally, adding a programmable thermostat can save you up to $180 a year on your energy costs, and it also lets home buyers know that you're conscientious about energy savings. Okay, and number 6 is just basic updates. Basic updates will add the most value to your home. Keep the paint looking fresh, look for any dripping faucets, any plumbing leaks, look on the roof for any flashing leaks, replace any rotting wood, get rid of any kind of mold that you see in the basement or in the attic area. Buyers are looking for a solid, healthy, safe home, and believe me, they look carefully for signs of routine maintenance. Okay, there you have it. Those are my 6 tips for getting your house ready to sell. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down below so you're notified of my videos that come out every week. Thank you.